Mark, do you have a recommendation for those interested in Tableau, the best way to learn and break into it? Is that Trailhead? Is that, being a consultant, or seeking out those who already work in it?
Wow, that's a great question, and obviously very fitting for me because I began learning Tableau last year as a partner, got my first certification last year, and then I've been knee deep in Tableau all of this year. So, first of all, I will say Tableau has, and prior to acquisition by Salesforce, had a fantastic community. For example, my LinkedIn feed is currently being completely hijacked by the Tableau Data Conference posts from all my friends, and I'm completely jealous. But a very powerful, very supportive, passionate, smart community. Get involved with the Tableau community. Various ways to do that online. I'm sure you can find that by searching yourself. Aside from that, you can sign up for a free trial license. But I think one thing that I did early on was I actually signed up for Tableau Public. So without paying for anything, you can get a limited version of Tableau. And if you just search for Tableau Public, you'll be able to find all that information. David, I'm quite happy to find some links to share afterward if you would like me to do that. Um, you can actually get a version of the software yourself, and you can create a public profile on Tableau Public. And not only can you begin to use public data sets from places like Kaggle, even on the Tableau Public site, they have sources for public data sets. Obviously, just a caveat, never post anything on there that's business related or has any kind of private information, because it is obviously an entirely public platform by virtue of the name. And you can look at what others have built. For example, if you're involved in banking, you can go to Tableau Public and just search banking. You'll see all kinds of amazing banking dashboards built in Tableau. So that's an area where I learned a lot. Also, just make a note of Makeover Monday, Workout Wednesday. So Makeover Monday, Workout Wednesday, these are challenges that are posted publicly. Data set is shared, use case is shared. The idea for Makeover Monday is to take a poorly designed solution in Tableau and remake it as you would make it to improve it. Workout Wednesday is solving a challenge that's presented to you. Both of them, again, come with the data sets, the use cases. And then a certain period of time after, videos will be shared as to how they were solved and different ways of solving them. Fantastic learning. There's also a lot of free e-learning available for Tableau. There's paid e-learning available for Tableau. And then I'll just give a quick plug for my favorite YouTube channel, which is Tableau Tim. Fantastic content. Even as an SE, recently there's a feature called Virtual Connections that I wasn't familiar with, and a customer had asked a question about it, and I studied at help, and that was useful. But he had this video, and I love it because they're short and to the point. They're visual. He's just a great communicator. So that there's a quick plug there for Tableau Tim.